What's up, buds? Welcome to JCC Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm making guava and cheese empanadas. It's gonna be
Guava
so
and
good.
cheese.
And I have 3 playlists that I'm gonna put this video in and leave the link in the description. I have empanadas. I have a playlist called empanadas. I have a playlist called JCC Latin recipes, and I have another playlist called videos that I did during the COVID-19 pandemic, so I can, keep track of the videos that I do during this pandemic.
Okay.
And I'll leave those 3 links in the description. So
Okay.
let's get started.
Let's get started.
Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications and comment if you have something to say. Alright. So we have some cheese, preferably the Spanish cheese.
What is it called?
It's called queso de papa.
Is it made out of papa?
Or you could also use queso blanco.
Is it made out of papa though?
No,
No. What's papa?
potato.
No, papa is you.
Oh,
No, I'm just kidding.
how many slices?
A few.
Alright,
I don't. Is it crooked? It may be a little bit crooked.
I
Oh wait, we
guess.
gotta pull.
Alright, so I'm cutting this nice and thin. Because this is like the Spanish cheese.
What happened?
This is like the Spanish cheese.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, so far I have 5 slices.
You want to do half a dozen? 6 for now? And see?
And here we go, 6.
Okay.
Alright, I'll add more if I need more later.
Sure.
Alright, so next I'm gonna cut the guava paste.
Okay. Try to do it the same thickness, okay?
Alright, let me just put this back.
We're gonna cut that open.
Yeah,
We'll be back.
We'll have to pause
We'll be
it.
back, Buzz.
Alright, bud, so I'm about to cut this guava paste. And I'll cut 6 of these like I did with the cheese.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna have to push the paper back. We're gonna pause right now, Buzz. Buds. Why do I keep on saying Buzz? That's so funny. Buds, I'm so sorry.
Bud, so I'm about to cut the 6th slice. There we go. Alright, so now it's time to stretch out the dough.
Okay.
I'm using Guava, preferably the white ones. Either one of them is kind of falling apart.
Okay. Be careful.
Make sure
Oops.
they're thawed.
Yeah. You got that?
Not really.
Alright, let me help you with
So
that.
we just pulled 4 of them out, so now I'm gonna roll the first one. You could do it by hand or with a rolling pin. I prefer with a rolling pin, so I'll do that. And we just want to stretch it out so we could stuff it easier and then close it.
Yeah. Didn't you say it's best to do it like an oval shape so it'll be longer and easier to fold over?
Yeah.
I thought you had mentioned that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's roll them all out and get back to this, or
Yeah. Yes,
all right, bud.
sounds
So
like a good idea.
we'll come back soon.
All right, bud. So we just finished rolling these, and I realized that I had these in the freezer for a little too long, and this didn't thaw properly, so the edges are a little dried. So in that case, with my clean fingers, I'm gonna dip it in some nice cold water. I'm not gonna soak the edges. I'm just gonna damp them, just so they seal.
Do you think it's better to damp them after we stuff everything, and so then we can seal them immediately?
Yeah, anyway, you pretty much got the idea of me damping them by
Right.
this, so we'll just pause it.
Yeah. Oops.
Alright, bud, so I just put the guava and cheese in. Just use one slice of each per dough. So I'm gonna damp it again because it might have dried.
Just a light coating.
Yeah.
And on the other side too.
Not soak it, but just damp it.
On the other side, on the bottom. Yeah, where they close, correct. Good. Okay, I think that might be enough, right?
Yeah. So now I'm gonna try to close it. Let me just press it down with my fingers first.
Make the edges meet.
Yeah,
Right?
make it neat, yeah.
Press it down with your fingers.
Alright, and then I'm gonna press it down with a fork. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
Oops. Alright, and I'm gonna do the other side.
If it's too hard, you might want to damp that piece a little bit so I can mush down a little easier.
Okay.
But make sure not to poke holes in it, buds.
Alright.
Because then the stuff might come out. At least try not to poke holes. I see a little hole there, but you know, just
Where?
trying. I think in the corner, where you literally have your fork at. All right, you're covering it so the camera can't see it, but never mind.
I kind of see it, yeah.
Oh, okay, it's okay. So, okay, we'll do one more, buds, and then you know, cause we have 3 more to do. We'll do one more, and then just for demonstration, okay? All right, let's hold on.
Alright, bud, so I'm doing the second one now. So what it's best to do is to stuff it first, put the guava and then the cheese, and then try to, you know,
Make sure they meet.
Make sure they meet, and then is when you damp it. If it's kind of dried like this.
Let's stress, even though you said it, but just one more time. Make sure your hands are clean, which they are.
Oh, yeah.
And that's it, I think. Pretty much damp, no?
Yeah, there we
Okay.
go. It is.
Start closing it then.
Alright, like I said before, with your fingers before we use the fork.
Just try to push them down. Try to make
It'll be a little
the edges
harder
meet.
to do that with the dry spots.
Right.
With these hard spots.
But you know, that happens sometimes.
Yeah.
It is what it is. We left it in the freezer too long. Hey, it happens.
Right now that this pretty much stuck together, right? You could use the fork.
Okay. Let me grab you from around. Let me record you from around. Okay, here we go. Go ahead.
Right now, do the other side, of course. Yeah.
Good job.
It's a little hard to press it down.
I know, it happens.
Just the empties.
Okay, buds, we're gonna continue with the rest and we'll come back.
Alright, bud, so now I'm gonna fry them up.
Okay.
This oil was nice and hot and it was bubbling a little earlier. There you go. For this, you could use a spatula and tongs.
There you go, beautiful.
There you go. That oil's hot. Yeah, you want the crust to get nice and crispy.
Yeah.
And you also might want to turn the fan on so the oil doesn't bubble too much.
Let's try to, because we don't want to get the top too greasy, so let's try to.
Flip it.
No, not yet. Okay, just buds, just give Tasty just a sec.
Alright, bud, so this has been cooking for a little while. The crust has gotten nice and crispy. Something else that you could do, cook it like this, so the inside's cooked. There we go. And you want that cheese nice and melted in there.
Flip it over. I don't want the cheese to drip out. You see what I mean?
Yep.
Because I think we accidentally made a little hole in it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, buds. So we're gonna. You think that one's done?
Yeah, that's done.
Okay. So let's put it here on our plate. Let's air it out.
Yeah, and make sure you put some paper towel on there.
Yeah. We'll be right back, buds.
Alright, bud, so this is our second one that I'm gonna do.
Very good.
I'm just gonna try flipping it. Oh yeah, it's best to flip it with the spatula and the fork.
Yeah.
That works nice.
Times can be a little difficult at times. That's why.
And of course, another way I'm gonna cook it, which you already saw.
Well, we'll come back, buds.
Alright, bud, so I'm serving this right now and I'm gonna take a bite into it.
Let's look at it first. Looks good.
You can see the guava in here.
And the cheese. Watch, be careful, it's maybe hot. Don't burn your mouth.
Mmm. So good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. It's like sweet because you know the guava, and it's like cheesy, which is always nice. Alright, bud, so hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out to Brooklyn. Until the next one.